What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alphabet Inc., ticker symbol GOOG. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at Google on the daily chart. What do I see? I see a climactic push up higher. It's kind of just like how a fireworks show has a finale. Usually it happens right at the end. And you can see that this push up here seems like a climactic point where we saw one of the largest moves up. Now we're seeing price struggling to push up higher from there. So let's just zoom out, take a look at a more bird's eye view of the chart. And you clearly see that price is attempting to make a measure move up. So this was the first leg up by the bulls, somewhere right about here. If I go and clone this, move it over, you see that the bulls are attempting to make the second leg, and they're almost there. They've been attempting to make it ever since that price bottom back here in November 2022. You can see that's slowly been trickling higher and higher towards that measuring target, and we're almost there. So there's a little bit more upside left before seeing a large correction take place, most likely at the 185 level. Overall, Google is in a strong uptrend. We just broke outside the prior all-time high not too long ago, so let's go and mark that as a key point. And let's go and draw this uptrend, representing it by maybe a potential channel or even a trend line. So you can see that with the channel, we kind of already had a break over here of the channel, and then price made a new high, which can lead to a reversal. I'm going to draw a trend line. So again, probably going to be expecting a decent sized drop for Google if it doesn't push up any higher, because again, we're at a climactic point. We're overextended from the EMA. We are still in a bullish uptrend, so that doesn't mean we're going to kind of collapse. We can definitely still see higher prices in the meantime. All I am saying is that price is overextended and is due for a correction, and that correction can take price all the way back down to fill in this gap that was created back at the 158 and possibly retest that breakout point at the 150 level. So again, I'm expecting more downside, but I don't think this is a top. I think eventually we'll probably see price exceed this prior high. So either we correct down something like that and then continue higher, or we just bounce off, get a V bottom, and then collapse back down, something like that. So that's all I'm looking at for Google as of right now. It looks pretty good overall. It's been trending up for quite a long time now, more than a year, almost 2 years. Almost reached the measurement target, broke out of the prior all-time high. It's staying above it, which is a good sign. A lot of bullish signs overall. All I'm saying is that short term, right around here, we can see some downside or at least some sideways trading. But overall, it's still a very bullish looking chart. So higher time frame looks pretty bullish. Lower time frame looks neutral to bearish. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that last week was very bullish. This week is seeing some correction. It's not going to continue to push up in that exponential manner. But either way, this is still a higher time frame bullish uptrend, lower time frame bearish downtrend to sideways correction. We still have room to the upside, so it's not like we're going to see, not like we can't push up higher, because we do have more upside potential at the 185. So we'll see if maybe we reach that and then see the big sell-off that's expected. So again, that's how I'm looking at Google on the daily and weekly charts, still holding up pretty strong in this market. So all I have for Google on daily weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.